Separate you from your solutions. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So what in the world do I mean by separate yourself from your solutions? Well, basically don't get your identity from if you're right or wrong. So this is kind of one of the paths and one of the processes that I've been on where trying to grow and develop. I'm like, so why can I have some ideas that are so right and then some ideas which are then so wrong? So that weird dichotomy was really kind of on my mind for a while. And this kind of thought came up during one of our live streams. So we have a variety of things. So I just want you to take a minute to kind of think about this. So here's this ugly, arcane thing that works. Now it works, or even some of my really bad ideas that send me off into Neverland, and I just completely you go into a death spiral or whatever negative term that you think. So I've really spent a lot of time on thinking about these things, but you are not your idea and your idea is not you. So either end of that spectrum, if you begin to get your self-confidence with it, I'm always right, well, that's not good. And then if you get yourself beratement that I'm always wrong, I must be dumb, that's not good either. So you are generating these ideas. There was this math teacher that I read about, and their term was, this isn't right yet. And they always added this yet to it. And then had an interesting experience with my last boss's boss. She would always say that, I don't know how to do this yet. And she would always put this thing at the end of it, yet. And it's very calming. So if you start to say that I don't know, or I have no idea, or I don't know what to do yet, make sure you throw that at the end of it. But you are not your ideas, and your ideas are not you. You generate these ideas. And the process and the point of this is for you to start having bad ideas, get them all out, and what's left are good ideas. So just wanted to share this topic for a minute, because I think if you're here, you're very similar to me, and you are probably having these same thoughts and ideas. So this actually came up in a live stream. A lot of these ideas are coming up in live streams of me sitting around, talking with the community, having these ideas, brainstorming, solving problems, but we're growing. That's the point of these live streams. So I just wanted to take a second and share that concept. And this is also an example. Don't ever throw away any code, because you can see how you've grown and improved. So make sure you're separating yourself from your solutions. They are not you, and you are not they. All right. Thank you, everybody. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're joining the Discord server so you can get the support that you deserve and need. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.